Hello my dear friends, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome again at this YouTube channel and also at this Facebook page. I hope you are well and you are doing well. In this video we would discuss, my dear friends, if you belong a village you must watch to me, and I hope you must understand something well here. You can learn here well, my dear friends. If you belong a village, my dear friends, if you belong a middle class family and middle class something low, also I'm belonging as family, my dear friends. If you belong a village you must know that you focus. If you are going to study, living your home in another state, in another city, my dear friends, you focus now, because in this society and in this village people would never respect to you till that you would not have a job, a government job. My dear friends, if you are doing preparation of government job you must watch to me. I hope you can get well and you must watch to me. We are going to talk some hard talk of my feeling. If you are watching to me, I hope you can get well. My dear friends, if you belong a village, if focus now your study, how you have to do well in your life, and taking your future you must serious. Taking your future you must serious, my dear friends. To you now, if you want to do something well, if you want to make your career, without your ambition, without your career you are nothing. And after 5 years, after 6 years, after 4 years, your friend in this village people would say to you what you have gained in your life, and someone would say to you, I am saying already, he would never do and he would nothing do in his life, my dear friends. Because now we are facing at this situation and I have to listen lot of people talk. If you belong in village you must know that, and you must think, you must do your work at yourself, which you could make well yourself, and you can represent yourself between of people. If you belong in village, my dear friends, you know that at this talk people would not see your work, only they would say to you he is not well to do this work, only they would hopeless and they decrease your confidence. You must know that at this talk. If you belong in village you focus now your study, and your study is everything now, my dear friends. ये एजुकेशन आपको बहुत ऊंचाई तक ले जाएगा. You focus now. If you want to change your entire life, if you want to change yourself, if you want to change your situation, if you want to change your direction, you must work at yourself, my dear friends. If your age is 18 to 28, you must know that you have to time to give, how you can develop yourself, how you can gain well in your life. You have time, and your time slowly is removing. You must know that at this time. If you belong in village, I am saying to you, my dear friends, seriously, taking your future you must serious now. आपको अपने भविष्य को लेकर के अभी से सीरियस हो जाना चाहिए, अदरवाइज आपको people would say to you after studying 28 years, he is not man of 10,000, या 10,000 के लायक भी नहीं है. 25 वर्ष पढ़ने के बाद में you must know that at this talk, because people say that and you have to face them. So I am saying to you, make and develop efficient in yourself, which would not to say anything, and they would not give load, they would not make to pressure at yourself. I am saying, as if you are doing so, I have watched lot of people which belong in village, they are going to study in city I am talking boys and girls both, but they are forgetting only if they are getting, they want to study office degree, they do not do something new in his life. My dear friends, only taking his degree. I think that if you have resources, your father is doctor, your brother is a engineer, they would keep to you. But my dear friends, I am talking that people that parents is not capable to do, and that parents not have to resources to send another people. My dear friends, I am talking them, you must not waste your time, you must not to you must not waste your time, you have to need and you have to give time yourself. My dear friends, if you want to gain better result to you, and in this present how much you will give time, your future will be see better and he will be shine in your future. My dear friends, I am saying to you, if you belong in village, you must work at yourself and give lot of time for your ambition, for your purpose, for your passion. What do you do in your life and what do you change your entire life. My dear friends, also you can watch to me and you can learn here. Well, we are providing to you how you can improve your communication skill, how you can learn English, and how you can speak English confidently without hesitation front of the people, and how you can improve yourself. My dear friends, if you belong in village, so my dear friends, do work at yourself and show something better and gain some better result to you. Nowadays, in which people and in which behind you are running yesterday, they will leave to you. You must know that in this phase sign is live some time, but when you go to success in your life, my dear friend, lot of people surrounding with you. You must know that at this time, यदि आप सफल हो जाते हैं तो lot of people आपके इर्द गिर्द घूमते हैं. You must know that at this time, and do work at yourself, make your ambition to get work to achieve for your purpose, for your goal in your life. My dear friends, and I hope you can change everything in your life. You have to need know what you can do in your life, and there is no one can do. You must know that at this time. Nowadays, who is living to you, making distance him. जो लोग आपको आजकल छोड़ रहे हैं, आप उन लोगों से डिस्टेंस बना लीजिए एंड अपने आप पर टाइम दीजिए. एंड आई थिंक दैट यदि आप प्रॉपरली टाइम दे रहे हैं तो इसका बेटर रिस्पॉन्स एंड बेटर रिजल्ट भी निकलेगा. इफ़ यू आर गिविंग टाइम honestly to you, my dear friends, I think that this result is better in your future. You must know that at this time, and I hope you can do everything in your life. You can change your entire life if you decide something, if you are capable to think how you can change yourself, how you can change your thinking power, how you can set your mind. My dear friends, you have to need know there is nothing too impossible in your life. If you belong a village, you focus now at yourself, you focus now your education, because education is the most powerful weapon. You must know that at this time education जो है मेरे दोस्त, यह बहुत ही पावरफुल वेपन है. वेपन मीन्स होता है हथियार. यह दुनिया से आपको सेफ महसूस कराएगा. ही ऑलवेज फील सेफ टू यू इन दिस वर्ल्ड पीपल. एंड if you have a well knowledge, my dear friends, if you have a well education, everyone would respect to you and they would make idol to you if you are living इन डिसिप्लिन, यदि आप अनुशासन में रहते हैं और आपके पास ये वेल नॉलेज है, वेल एजुकेशन है, तो आपको everyone would respect to you everywhere place. You must know that at this time. If you want to do well in your life, my dear friends, you can watch to me how I am doing struggle of my purpose, of my passion, and of my ambition in my life. You can watch to me and you can take inspiration of my communication skill, how I am doing practice, how am I doing conversation in English, and lot of people who want to improve his communication skill, my dear friends. And वो लोग जो अपने इंग्लिश को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहते हैं, जो लोग इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं, जो लोग इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, मेरे दोस्त, आप हमारे वीडियो को देख सकते हैं और आप कुछ बेहतर सीख सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग टू यू। मैं यहाँ पर आपको ग्रामर पोर्शन का होल सॉल्यूशन दे रहा हूँ और आई होप मैं बेसिक से बता रहा हूँ कि आप सेंटेंस को कैसे बनाएंगे, हाउ यू वुड मेक ऑफ द सेंटेंस फॉर स्पोक इंग्लिश। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, देयर इज नो वन नो एवरीथिंग, ये सम टाइम, बट इफ ही इज गिविंग लॉट ऑफ टाइम, आई थिंक दैट ही विल make better of his life slowly. You must know that. If you want to go in rope, you have to increase your first step, then second step, then third step, slowly. One time will come as you will reach on the roof. So as you have to learn, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to do well in your life, my dear friends, you have to need. After some time, I think that what am I getting speak when I considering at this talk, my dear friends, who but someone come at my comment section, they would say to you, what want to say, I don't know that. I think that my dear friends, कि तो मैं बेहतर नहीं हूँ या आप बेहतर नहीं, या तो मैं बेहतर हूँ आपसे या आप मुझसे बेहतर हैं. इफ़ यू आर वेल टू मी आर आई एम वेल टू यू, यू मस्ट नो डेट एट दिस टाइम हु इज कमिंग एंड हु इज writing as this type, my dear friends. I know that at this time. If you are a learner, if you want to change yourself, you have to need know basic how you can change yourself, how you can learn well in your life. If you are watching first time to me, my dear friends, you can subscribe to me, which new notification you could meet. And if you are watching to me at the Facebook page, you can follow to me and you can keep your thoughts in the comment section. If you watching, you can keep your thoughts, you can like and share this video. I hope you will do work for your ambition and you would change your entire life in your future. If you belong in village, if you want to change yourself, my dear friends, so thank you. Also, I belong in village and I want to do work to change of my entire life. I want to do practice, I want to learn English, and I want to change of my communication, how to improve my communication front of people, and how we can speak confidently without hesitation to you. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching this video, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Constitution. If you are watching, you can join of my YouTube channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.